These are the factory Jeep flares. We're going to be removing these. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side.
Hi, welcome back to 5150, and today we're going to be installing Crawler Nemesis rear flares. Alright, let's get this started. Tools you're going to need is a nutsert installer, a 5/32 Allen key, 7/16 socket and wrench, punch, deburr. These are just for pilot holes, and then a W size or a 3/8 drill bit, and also anti-seize.
Going to go ahead and ream it now. And Ryan's just going to test fit to make sure all the rib nuts all fit in the holes fine. Perfect. Just go ahead and wipe down the inner fender well. Ryan has got some new rock sliders. He's had them for a while, just haven't had a chance to put them on. That'll be coming up in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. He's got some super exciting stuff coming for the axle, so there's going to be some nice videos coming up. You've been putting all your money into this, huh? Yeah. Every paycheck. Plus going to school. I'm pretty proud of him. Let's count them.
9.
9. I think it should be 9.
Yeah.
There's 11 counting the 2 that get the
Spares, I think.
Or the lock nuts on top.
Oh.
Makes it 11. Alright, we're just reaming those up. Alright, so Ryan's going to put the two top bolts in and work his way down. The two tops don't have the red nuts on the body. Alright guys, they've all been installed, passenger and driver. Again, we're going to color paint these, same as the Jeep. These are the fronts we did in our last video. We're going to go ahead and pull this out in the sun and see what it looks like. So there's the rear fenders on. There's the fronts. Starting to look sharp. Looks a lot better.